Hello everyone. For today's course, we're going to build a facade, which is similar to the facade we built in last course, but this one will be more complicated and it will use more advanced grasshopper command. So let's get started. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna analyze the detail of each cells. So I assume the length of each cells still remain the same from last course, 50 by 50, and this line I give it a number 20. You will find out the line also has a very random position. So at the beginning of the process of Rhino grasshopper, we need to use random commands as well. And some of it, this line, which is very close to the edge, but just on the x-axis direction, and the arrange of the cells, which is very regular. It forms a very regular pattern, like saggy hoggy, saggy hoggy, saggy hoggy, not like the last one we built, just array very randomly. So we need to use more complex command. So since it will not get very close to the upper edge and the bottom edge, so set a limit, maybe 5. Yeah. And since the line I give the value is 20, since it can get very close to the edge, so on the left side, this edge, the value is just 0. I won't do anything for it. But since the line from the point, so here will be have a 20. It won't get any effect for this point's position. So this point can move here randomly. Just when it's moved on this edge, it will form a line just close to the right side, right? So here, I won't give it a random command to the point at first. And then when for the line will just get too close to this edge automatically. So the area of this line motion, or of this point's motion, should be 40 by 30. Now that's the thing we need to be aware before we build the model. Okay, after we analyze the detail of each cell, now let's go to the grasshopper. First, we set a grade here, and we need to set a number. Sorry, here, set a number 50. Okay, just to the right position. Okay, and for the x-axis, it's 6 by 6, so 36 cells. So give you a number 6. Link to x-axis and y-axis, and find out the central point of each cell, and give move motion command, which will move to, like last course, move along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So x-axis, y-axis, Z-actual. And then set up a random command. But this random command is very different from the last course, because the range will be very different. For the x-actual, the point move to the left, to the right. Since the length is 50, and the central point here, which the length, the distance, the central point from the edge is 25, and we just said the range only 30. So the range for this point should be negative 25. When the negative 25, the point is here, to the positive 5. So positive 5 move to the right side, negative 25 move to the left edge. Understand? So dash dash negative 25 to 5. So that's for x-actual. For y-actual, the same. So the range we move along the y-actual is 40. So the range will be from negative 20 to positive 20. So that's the range for x-actual and z-actual. And the counts, that's 6 by 6, 36. And for seed, the value, just give a random number. Just make sure the seed for the x-actual is different from y-actual. Don't give it the same number. So the x-actual and give it this one, still same, to y-actual. Give the result to x-actual, y-actual. For z-actual, the same, like last course. Just give an exact number. It's maybe 10. And there's all vector unit, the same, like last course. It's all addable. So you add those things together, A, B, C, and get a result for the motion ray, which the point will move in 3D dimensional space, and get the result. Now the same, the data structures problem showed up again. So we just need to flatten this one and get a nice result. Now we need to set a line, the 20 unit line. So go to curve, we set here. So the meaning of this calculator, the start point, so we already get a start point, and the direction, so and the length will be 20. Okay, so I'll give it. So the default direction should be along z-actual, but the length, the picture show here, it must be along the y-actual, x-actual. So I need to set the x unit. Okay, so we get a start point and we need an end point here. End point. Now we get a complete line. So the basic thinking about getting surface should be use this edge and link to the line. We can form by loft command, so we can form the surface and extrude the line, this point and this edge so we can form a triangle surface here, right and left, right and left. So we need to get the edge first. So like last course, we need to deconstruct the grade and get the edge, get line information. So deconstruct the verb. So yeah. Now I use the edge list. So first we need to divide all the line into different group. So use this tool, list item. So that's list, that's the index. So for the first one, list, and integral 0, and we need 4 because we have 4 edge. Because for this one, just the bottom edge for each cells. So just copy this one, integral 1, copy again, give it to 2, copy it again, three. So this bottom line and this upper line for each cell, and this. So now we get the bottom line of each cells, the right edge on the right side, edge on the left side, and the upper line, upper edge. So let's check again. 0, 1, 2, sorry, 2, upper edge, 3. So 0 to 3, 4 edge, all be listed. And now we need to use this line and the upper edge or the bottom edge to form a surface. So, and we use this tool, form a surface by 2 edge. So this line, and you just use 0, 0, number 0 edge. This the curve A, this curve B, and now you will find out the whole model mess up. So the same, we need to flatten or graft something. So let's check the data structure and review the thing from last course again. So the line structure and edge structure. Let's see. And now you will find out for the line, there's 66 line, but is combined as a group. But for this edge, that's 36 independent line. So what we're gonna do, we either flatten this one or either graph it this one. So the better choice is graft this one to match this data structure. So we need to graft it first. Now all data structure match. Okay. Now the same, we link the edge to the R per edge. So we still use service, use this command, and we double curve the B curve. For the A curve, we still need do the same, the graft command. So just link this to here. But you will find out the surface has twisted because the line has the direction. So the X direction linked to here. So this point linked to here, this point linked to here, that follow the default setting. But this one, so this point linked to here, this point linked to there. So we better reverse the direction of this edge. So we need to use this tool, flip curve, change the direction, just reverse this curve direction. So we link to here, link to there. Now, success. Okay, for this two triangle surface, we delete the data structure. We will use the tool from the last course. So extrude the point, surface, and extrude point. This tool can form the surface by one point and one edge. So the point is here. The star point is there. Star point, okay, we'll link, and the base, this edge, we check. Okay, this one, the number 4 edge. So we link, but the dark structure problem again. So the same, that's independent line. That's to combine a group, all the information together. So we need to graft to match this data structure. So yeah, match. Now, nice. Okay, the same for the this triangle surface. Process again, surface, extrude point, and the same. We need to graft. Oh yeah, we'll just use this one. Just use this one directly. Point. Oh, sorry, that's for and the point. Sorry, we need to grab it again. And point. Give it this one. Okay, now we got 4 surfaces. Right? This one, this one, this one, this one. Full surface. Now we need to merge those surfaces together. So we type in merge. Okay, add another to data input socket. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's not finished. Give another one. Okay, 4 socket, but this is not finished because this pattern is a very regular pattern. It's hoggy, saggy, like this one. So we need to do some extra work around this part. So that's exact 10. So it means all the point around here move up along the z-axis. But the reality is, it shouldn't be just positive 10. The number array should be 110, and next negative 10, and next positive 10, And the next, -10 again. So dash dash 10. So we set the data 10 and double click -10 and categorize this data to a different category. Now, once I got this, we need to set here repeat data. So link, and I need to give a length, just how many times it will repeat. So I just borrow this number. Okay, and we will get a result like how many times it repeats. 36 times. Okay. Okay, I give it to the actual. So sound of it go up, sound of it go down. But you think that's not very obvious, so I can give it some calculation. Just multiply something. Yep. Maybe 1.43. We'll have a result, and it's become adjustable. Okay. Now, if we think that's okay, so just make one and close it. Okay. Okay, and we give it a background color. Go to the random root. The background color. Dark gray again. And turn off skyline. And give it a solid color. And give a material to it. Plastic. Might be blue. An object. Okay. Or maybe reflectivity, slow down a little bit, clarity, go up, and give it texture. Sparkle. Yep, maybe hatch. And scale. Okay, now we get down to job. That will be all for today. If you have any question regarding to these videos, please leave it on below comment. If you want to know more detail and gain more modeling skills, please come to our website, RhinoArchSchool.com. First link in the description. I will show you how to do this. Open your window and type RhinoArchSchool.com. Get close to look all courses we provide, from beginner to advanced model maker. The first one is unlimited course package. The second one is monthly payment course. They are the same course but just different purchasing method. Learning this course, you will get a step-by-step approach to learn how to model organic architectures, parametric architectures through interesting cases, and the famous architects project includes the Facade architects project, Mad architects project, Pachinko architects project, Shigeru Ben architects project, and so much more. Join our professional course and design your own world. Also, if you want to have files or YouTube tutorials, you can get them by supporting becoming our blog members. You can find the link in the description. I would like to thank all of our blog membership supporters. It really helps us create even better and more tutorials. If you like these tutorials and would like to see more tutorials, please click the like button and make sure you subscribe our channel, as we publish the new videos 2 times a week. Thanks for watching.